I feel like I've got the best position in the world. I'm one of the luckiest people because I've got this great office that looks over the apple orchard, and it really gives time to contemplate and to formulate ideas, but in terms of fundraising, but also to interact with the tremendous staff from Aaron Lansky down to the fellows, to the students that come every summer. My job is to provide the resources for the book center in terms of our fundraising efforts, to lead and to strategically plan how we are going to provide the book center the money for its work during a operating year, fiscal year. To provide an organization, definitely at the Yiddish Book Center, with the tools so that the oral history project, the Wexler oral history project, can continue, or if the preservation and accessibility of the book collection, or digitization and translation, it's always the resources need to be there. And in a way, making an impact, providing the tools for the people who can make an impact is very rewarding in a way. And it's also very rewarding to give donors the opportunity to make this difference.